Hello my friends, thanks for stopping by and welcome to Florida. Yes, I am recording in a different room. I do not like this little light. When we are going home for 7 days in December, I'm going to ship all of my lights down and then we will have perfection. All right, but today I'm sweating bullets under here. Anyway, today's video is going to kick off what I hope to be a couple of holiday look tutorials, or how you can take your look from day till evening, because some of us, you know, we go to work and then we have a little holiday cocktail party afterwards. And today we are going to feature Armani Beauty. And if you have been watching me for a long time, you know that one of my most favorite foundations for my skin, which is dry, aging skin, is the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I have been wearing it for years. If you've been watching me, you know that. This video is in partnership with Nordstrom, so of course I have to tell you a couple of things about Nordstrom before we get going. Of course, if you have the credit card, you can earn points when you shop, and then those points turn into dollars. Right now, you'll probably miss it when this video releases, but they ran a little promotion that you got a $60 bonus note. That means $60 they're giving you. And that was up until December 2nd, where if you opened a credit card with them. So watch their site, because sometimes they run where you earn points or bonus points just for opening up their credit card. And when you shop with their credit card, you earn more points. I think it's 3 points for every dollar. You also get the opportunity to pick your own day of shopping where they'll double your points. And it depends on what level you are as a card holder, how many points you earn. But right now I have like $300 sitting in my Nordy notes, and that $300 will come in handy for holiday gift buying or a special treat for myself, because you know I am a one for you, one for me kind of person. And also when you shop Nordstrom with their beauty, they have beauty events, and there's gift with purchases, and they have all kinds of different lines. But today we are featuring the fabulous Armani Beauty. So I will link the Nordstrom information below, you know, the credit card information and the Nordy Club information, and you go and have a look-see and see if it's for you. But today we are going to get started. On my face, I already have my foundation, concealer, and powder, because I have been wearing the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation for so long, I didn't feel I needed to apply it for this video, and I wanted to feature some other products that are new to me. So on my face, I have my foundation, my powder, and let's get the zoom lens so we can see what we have underneath our eyes. This is the Power Fabric High Coverage Stretchable Concealer, and I'm wearing it in number 5. And again, by Giorgio Armani. It is, so far it looks really beautiful. Comes in just a really pretty tube. It has a doe foot applicator, and this color did seem pretty good for me. There it is on my hand. It has just a slight peach yellow undertone, the number 5. So I did get lucky and pick the right color for myself. All right. I also have my eyebrows, as you can see. So we are going to get started. I did buy an eyeshadow palette, and the palette is gorgeous. I forgot to say, you'll see the doodles behind me, because in Florida, they are very attached to me. I think they're going through a little bit of an adjustment period. I try to desensitize them to all of the new scenery they have to see, the new sounds. We've been walking them a lot. You know, we do a good hour in the morning, a good, 40 minutes in the afternoon, and then a good 25 minutes at night. So, and I'm taking them to all different routes so they can get used to things, because I feel really bad. You know, I took their 5 acres of land away from them, so they can't just run free. And in Florida, I'm not making my dog a tasty morsel treat for the gators. All right, so let's get back to Armani Beauty. So this is the Avant Premiere, and this is the number 2, and I thought it looked absolutely gorgeous. These are beautiful, beautiful colors. I have never ever used an Armani eyeshadow, so I thought this was the perfect time to try it. These are just spectacular. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them on my fingers so that you can see what they look like. And the thumb, there's that one. And then I'll go ahead and give you a swatch of each on my hand, and we'll do the last one here. And there you have it. They are beautiful, and they have a beautiful satin finish to them. Just gorgeous. There is a taupier shade in there, which I know many people love. So it has a little blend of warm and cool. All right, so we are going to get started with an eyeshadow look. So I'm going to go into this first color here that is it's almost like a wheat color. Just going to tap into it. And we're going to go ahead and apply it to the lid to see how it looks first. Okay, it is a beautiful, beautiful color. It has a subtle satin sheen to it. I'm going to bring it all the way up under the brow. And I'm going to pack a little bit more onto the lid. This is really, really beautiful. They're going on really smooth. Not a lot of fallout. Okay, so there is the look of the first color. I'm going to go ahead and place this on the other eye. Okay, so both eyes have the first color. I'm going to go in and I'm going to pick up this brown here over in the right corner. And I'm just going to tap a fluffy brush into this. And I'm going to really load the brush up well, but I'm going to tap it into the mirror to make sure that I am working the colors into the fiber of the brush. And now we are going to go ahead and just lightly apply this to the crease. Remember, these are all satin colors, perfect for the holiday. And I think that satin colors can be worn. These are gorgeous. Oh, these are absolutely gorgeous. The way they blend out, just beautiful with even just the lightest touch. They are really spectacular. So I'm just adding I'm adding the bulk of the color to the lower part of the crease. Really pretty. There is some fallout with it. So I'm going to take care of that right away and just sweep it away. Going to go back in. So knowing that there is a little bit of fallout, which every single eyeshadow is going to have fallout, I'm going to make sure that I'm really tapping it into the fibers of the brush because that will help you with fallout. And I'm just going to pack a little bit more color. Remember, this is a holiday look, so we want to go va-va-va-voom. These are spectacular. And if you pack the color into the crease and really work it into the crease area, and then you just go along and you sweep a little bit lower, you give the illusion of using several different colors. But that is the look so far. That is really a beautiful, beautiful color. And if you wanted, you can just blend softly above, not adding any more color, and just really softening the edge there and pulling that color up just a bit. So there's what we have so far. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Okay, both eyes are done with the second bronzier color right here in the palette. So now I'm going to go in with the deeper tone, taking a small dome-like brush, and I'm just going to pick up a small amount of color. Well, I'm picking up quite a bit, but I'm going to pack it into the brush for less fallout. And now I'm just going to sweep this color, really intensify that outer crease. Okay, so the outer crease is now intensified. Going to do the same thing on the other side. And what I'm doing is mainly I'm focusing on the crease area, the outer, putting most of the color there, and then just lightly sweeping what's left over the corner of the eye. It's not really a V. It's actually just like a little square at the outer, but you want to make sure that you're always stopping. You don't want to drag too far down. So I'm going to do the other side. Okay, so there are both eyes done. You do get a mix of cool and warm in here. So now I'm going to take a little bit of this taupe, which I normally would not, and I'm just going to pick a little bit of it up, and I'm going to place it in the center of my lid. Right here, I'm just going to tap that color because it is the holidays, right? And these do not have a lot of glitter. They have a sheen to them They're satin finish, which is really gorgeous. I'm just packing more of that taupier color right here into the center of the eye. So there we have the taupey color in the center. Okay, so the eyes are complete on top. So now smudge brush, and I'm going to tap in to that color, tap it into the lid. And now, because it is the holidays, I'm going to really accentuate my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and go underneath, extend that color up. Same thing on the other eye. And that's what we're looking at. And it will all come together when you put your mascara on. But if you're not real comfortable with it being that bold underneath, just take another brush and smudge that line out, which is what I would do. And that helps to just soften underneath, which helps to make you a little more comfortable with wearing so much color underneath the eye. So that is the finished look with the eye palette Avant Premier by Armani. Again, this is what the colors look like in the actual palette. I'll back up for you. Really, really pretty. Purchased some eyeshadows that I wanted to just mention. These are the creamier ones. Many people ask me about cream, so I thought I would do another tutorial down the road with these. And these are the Eye Tint Silk, and I got it in number 11 Rose Ashes and number 27 Sunset. I'll show you the Rose Ashes first. That's what it looks like in the tube and on my hand. Let's go ahead and put it right here. They're very, very soft and silky. This one is very much almost flesh tone to my skin, so it's giving just a nice glow. And I will say, as an aging woman, it is nice to have a little bit of glow, almost a wet look to your face, because it really does make you look a little bit more youthful. I notice that when I'm wearing things that are have a little more of a wet look to them, you know, a satin finish, I get more compliments on my skin. This is number 27 Sunset, which is definitely in the rose tone, a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I thought, why not? So I'm going to show you that one. They're so sheer. They just add a beautiful wash of color and just really, really pretty. So like I said, I may do a little bit of a look. Maybe it'll go on my Facebook, or I might tweet it out. We'll see how we do that. I don't know if I'll do a whole video dedicated to them, but those are the colors. So look for my Facebook or tweet on those, or on Instagram. But I did want to mention that I purchased that. Okay, so next we're going to do our mascara, and this is the Black Ecstasy. I've used the Giorgio Armani mascara for many, many years. I've used it in the black. They used to have it in a color called Wood. Absolutely love it. I think it has the type of brush that I really love. For me, this brush is perfection. I love the old-fashioned wand brush with just the spoolie on it, no plastic, no gimmicks or anything like that. And the formula of this mascara is beautiful. So we're just going to apply our mascara. This is one coat. I have not put a primer on with it. You can use a lash primer with this mascara. It performs beautifully. So that is totally up to you. If I were going out, I would definitely put a primer underneath. But you do not have to with this mascara. Go right up to the root, extend it out, and it really is a nice performing mascara. Like I said, I have worn it for years on and off. I loved the Wood. The Wood may have been discontinued, I'm not sure, or it may be available in another formula. So we're going in for 2 coats. That is 2 coats of the Ecstasy mascara. So now I'm gonna, while that's drying, before I do my bottom lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and I purchased a lip liner that isn't really the right color for the lip that I purchased, but I'll go ahead and show it to you because it's a beautiful red. It's more of a cherry red. It's the number 5 Giorgio Armani Smooth Silk Lip Liner. I do have these in other colors. None of them match the lip product that I'm going to use today. So, but these are really, really beautiful lip liners, and this is the red. Again, a blue red, not really a warm red. It's a little on the cooler side. The Armani Silk lip liners are just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. I do have a couple of them. I think I have one of them, more of a nude, and then I have a red that is definitely more of an orange red that's more suited for me. I think a couple of the ones that I've had are actually discontinued because they, you know, they come out with new colors, new formulas, and new packaging. But, and I also have one that leans a little more towards the brown, but they are really beautiful. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and line my lips and share the lipstick with you. Okay, so the lip product that I'm going to share with you today is the Ecstasy Lacquer by Giorgio Armani, and this is the Excess Lip Color Shine. And I thought this color was just beautiful. Again, the packaging is gorgeous, and it comes with a beautiful doe foot. And this color to me was just beautiful. There is a slight angle on the doe foot so that you can apply it and it lays nicely on the lips. So let's go ahead and see how this looks. It feels wonderful. It has a gel-like texture. It's the color. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is one of those long-wearing gel-like lipsticks that don't make your lips look really dry, and it leaves behind almost a satin look to the lip. It is really beautiful. So far, very comfortable on the lips. Go ahead and just touch the lashes on the bottom, just slightly. All right, my friends, so that is it for the finished look using some of the Armani Beauty products that I recently purchased. Like I said, I will use some of the other products and post them someplace. Yeah, just follow me. Follow all my social media and you'll see it at some point. But I have to say that these eyeshadows are really impressive. They're beautiful. They have an incredible satin finish to them. There was minimal fallout with them, which if we live in a realistic world, we know that there will be fallout from time to time, even with our most favorite luxurious brands, as we will with others. And the foundation, I've been raving about for years. I absolutely love it. I always have 2 bottles of the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Everything will be listed and linked below for you, so you can just click on the link and head on over to Nordstrom and take a look at everything that Armani has to offer. There are so many products there that, of course, I do not have. But like I said, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I have used the mascara for many years. You know that I used to have one of their bronzers that was beautiful as well. And the, like I said, the foundation is just a staple for me. I will also link Nordstrom below so that you can take a look at the Nordy Club info. It is really worth it to earn the bonus points, which then turn into money for you. And I love when companies give me money. Yes, I do. All right, my friends, so that's it for me. I would like to thank Nordstrom again for partnering with me on this video. But most of all, I would like to thank all of you who stop by and see me every single time I put a video up. And if you haven't already subscribed, I would love to have you as an Ageless Beauty. Hit that subscribe button, and right next to it is a bell. Hit that bell so that you are made aware of all the videos that I am putting up. Until the next time, my friends, go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.